Hello and welcome to the City of Saints, Multan. We are here for the first T20 International of Transgroup Presents Bank Al Falah Pakistan versus South Africa Women T20 International Series 2024. And the teams are just arrived here at the Multan Cricket Stadium, and the stage is set for them to have an exciting series here, because this series would be right before the T20 World Cup. So good evening to everyone. The stage is set for an exciting cricket contest here in Multan, because at one hand we have Team Pakistan that is led by a dynamic, enthusiastic, new young captain and a comparatively new coach. And they're ready to host South Africa, which is led by seasoned Laura Woolwood. And this T20 series promises electrifying process, electrifying cricket, because this would be the time for these teams to tune themselves before the big event of T20 Women World Cup 2024. With me, I have Kainat Imtiaz. Hello and welcome to you as well.
Thank you so much.
So Kainat, this series has the biggest platform right now for both the teams to assess their weaknesses, to address their weaknesses, to assess their strengths, and to gain the momentum for this T20 World Cup.
Well, absolutely. The series is so important for both the teams, especially for Pakistan, because they will be eyeing to have that place in top 4 at the moment, because the pool is so difficult for Pakistan, as it's Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, and we have India as well in the pool. So they will be eyeing for top 4, and this series will be a boost for Pakistan. And of course, South Africa has been playing exceptional cricket, being the finalist of the World Cup as well. So they will be eyeing to again become the finalist and this time win as well.
Exactly, the 3 T20s that would be played in this series would be the first T20 which is being played today, then the next on the 18th of September, and then the last and the third T20 International on the 20th of September. And on the 23rd of September, Team Pakistan will be travelling to UAE for the T20 Women's World Cup 2024. I'm talking about the new captain that has come in the side of Pakistan. You have played along Fatma Sana, you have seen her grown. What is that individual quality of hers that can lead Pakistan in a better way, and that she can impress her teammates?
Well, Fatma Sana has been in line for quite a while, as she wanted to be a Pakistan captain and she was in line next to be the captain. I think her positivity, confidence and aggressive attitude towards the game will be effective. She will be an effective captain because of these qualities. And the fact that she'll be inspiring the whole team with the energy she's going to bring on the ground, as being the youngster, and she's just 22 years of age and just 41 games in her career, T20I career. So I think this is the biggest step for Pakistan and can definitely give Pakistan a kickstart in the World Cup.
Exactly, it's a long way for Fatma Sana, and she has a lot of time to captain the side and move further and make the Pakistan team strong and stronger. We spoke to Fatma Sana and what she has to say about this series and T20 World Cup. Let's have a look at that.
होपफुली आगे वर्ल्ड कप है, तो उसकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए हमारे पास सीरीज़ है। हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि अपनी सारी लड़कियों को कॉन्फिडेंस दें वर्ल्ड कप से पहले, ताकि एक बड़े इवेंट में जाने से पहले हर लड़की कॉन्फिडेंस में हो और अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए कीन हो। आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ द लीडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, बिकॉज कैप्टनसी में सबसे पहली चीज़ यही होती है कि आप फ्रंट लीड से करो, और यही कोशिश करेंगे कि ना सोचूं कि बड़ा इवेंट है या कुछ इस तरह, जिस तरह डे बाय डे मैचेस होते हैं उस तरह ही कोशिश करूं कि वैसे ही लेके चलूं, और इंशाल्लाह होपफुली अच्छा परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश करूं एज अ टीम। आई थिंक टीम कॉम्बिनेशन जितना सेम रहेगा उतना अच्छा है, क्योंकि जब आप सेम कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ जाते हो तो आपकी टीम के पास एक कॉन्फिडेंस होता है कि हमने पहले भी खेला हुआ है, और उस तरह एक बड़े इवेंट से पहले बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपका सीनियर जूनियर का कॉम्बिनेशन होना। तो अच्छी चीज़ है कि हमारे पास सीनियर्स भी हैं, यंगस्टर्स भी हैं, और कुछ ऐसी लड़कियाँ भी हैं जो स्किलफुल हैं, तो हम पूरे कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ जाने की कोशिश करेंगे। आई थिंक जब अपनी बॉलिंग बैटिंग हो तब मैं ना सोचूं कैप्टनसी का और इस तरह, और जब बॉलिंग और बैटिंग हो जाए उसके बाद जब आप फील्ड पे होते हो तो उस टाइम मैं ज़्यादा फोकस करूं कैप्टनसी पे, तो आई थिंक मुझे हेल्प आउट करेगा। और कोशिश यही होगी कि अपनी परफॉर्मेंस पहले रखूं, और क्योंकि जब अपनी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी होगी तो टीम भी खुद ब खुद ऑटोमेटिकली उस तरह का अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगी। तो बस यही कोशिश है कि अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से ही टीम को जिताऊँ।
This is the first time that Team Pakistan is playing here in Multan, and Fatima Sana having her first home series as a captain. What and how would be the conditions here in Multan? Let's hear it from Sana Mir at the pitch report.
It's the first T20 international being played in Multan Stadium. Excellent weather conditions, 36 degrees centigrade and 50% humidity. A gentle breeze blowing across the pitch. And when you talk about the pitch, it's a fresh pitch. Not a lot of cricket has been played. First T20 game on this pitch, and the surface looks like it's going to support the fast bowlers a bit more than the spinners. But it's only after the toss that we are going to know more, because there are a few cracks, and on a fresh pitch as a captain I would always want to bowl first.
So looking at the humidity, it won't be an easy task for both the teams, but looking at the pitch, there are cracks but they are far apart. Would they support spinners or fast bowlers?
Well, I think they are going to support fast bowlers in first few overs, and after that it can be batter's game as it's Multan Stadium and we have seen big scores as well. So we are hoping to see big scores, as Pakistan also need to work on the batting strength as they lack that and completely depend on their bowlers.
So talking about the match and starting off with the match, so both the captains are in the centre with Bazid Khan. So over to him for the toss.
It's toss time here at Multan Cricket Stadium for the first T20I between Pakistan and South Africa. Both captains here, Fatima Sana, Laura Wolfart, and the match referee Mohammad Javed Malik. Fatima, you have the coin. Give it a spin, please.
Tails.
Tails is the call. It's a head.
आपको बताना है, बताना। Bowling first.
फातिमा टॉस जीत गई, क्या करेंगी और क्यों?
बॉलिंग करेंगे क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली हमारा फर्स्ट मैच है इधर, तो ट्राई करेंगे पिच को।
आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा मैच है, पहली दफ़ा आप पाकिस्तान के लिए कैप्टनसी कर रही हैं, क्या फीलिंग्स है? कोई टेंशन है या काफ़ी खुश हैं?
नहीं, बस खुश हैं, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान के लिए खेलना एक बड़ी बात है और कैप्टनसी करना उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी बात है, तो बस इसको एंजॉय करेंगे।
और बिगर पिक्चर ये है कि आगे वर्ल्ड कप है, तो इस सीरीज़ से आप उस वर्ल्ड कप में क्या लेके जाना चाहती हैं?
बिल्कुल यहाँ पर प्रिपरेशन करेंगे ताकि यहाँ पे जितना अच्छा खेल सकें वो हम लोग कैरी करें वर्ल्ड कप में। तो हमारी यही चीज़ होगी कि हम लोग यहाँ पे एक अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलें ताकि हमारे यहाँ पे अच्छी प्रिपरेशन हो।
आपसे टीम का पूरा नहीं पूछूंगा, सिर्फ बॉलिंग यूनिट बता दें, बॉलर्स कौन से खिलाए आपने? फास्ट बॉलर कितने हैं और स्पिनर्स कितने हैं?
आई थिंक 2 फास्ट बॉलर्स हैं और बाकी 4 स्पिनर्स हैं, और आई थिंक सो सारे एक्सपीरियंस है तो सबका पता ही है।
चलो, थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गुड लक।
थैंक यू।
So Fatima says she's quite happy with the captaincy, first time ever, and also the fact that it's a fresh pitch, so doesn't know how it will play, so bowling first. Laura, firstly, welcome to Multan. How's Multan treating you?
Very well so far, nice and hot, but yeah, we're excited for tonight.
What do you think about the pitch? Do you think it is going to change any bit throughout the 40 overs?
Probably not that much. I think a T20 game is pretty quick. We probably would have liked to bowl first as well, obviously with it being a fresh wicket and the first time that we're playing over here. But yeah, hopefully it plays well and we can put up a good score up front.
And should I remind you of the previous series that Pakistan and you guys played here? Does any of that linger, or is just a process going to that World Cup?
Yeah, it's just a process. Obviously, that was a very well fought and tightly contested series. But yeah, this is all about World Cup prep. We'll be looking to get some good momentum leading into that tournament.
Again, I won't ask you about your whole 11, but just the bowling unit, what bowlers have you played?
Pretty much the same as usual, but we got Seshini Naidu making her debut, young leg spinner, so very excited to see how she goes today.
Exciting. Good, go well and good luck.
Thank you.
The news out here in the centre is that Pakistan have won the toss and elected to bowl first.
So news from the centre, you have heard it, that Pakistan has won the toss and they'll be bowling first. And this is the 11 of South Africa, Laura Woolworth, the experienced, the seasoned Laura Woolworth captaining the side. And you can see a mix of that old team that toured Pakistan in 2023, and there are few new faces that you can see come in. Then coming towards the 11 of Pakistan, so you can see Fatima Sana, yes, leading the side and captaining the side. Then there's Gul Firoza, Sidrami, Nida. Nida would be very important person in this match to give all her support to Fatima as the former captain. And we can see Sadia as well in there. And this is the 11, and these are the ladies that you would be you'd be seeing in action. So Kainat, talking about an advantage, a mental advantage, they've won their last series when South Africa toured Pakistan. Would that help Team Pakistan?
Well, definitely this will have boost the morale, but again, on the field, on the day, it's completely different, and it's a different side, definitely, because they're going for the World Cup. Even though there's similar conditions, it's good for South Africa that they're here and, you know, getting used to the conditions, as Pakistan is almost the same conditions as UAE, and this series will be very important for both of them, South Africa and Pakistan.